Ah, gabi. Lipat ko yung tubig.
Here's Comfort Inn and Suites in Surrey, British Columbia, Canada, at night.
Alis tayo ng bahay na 5:30. Gising ka dapat ng 4:30.
Oo.
Okay.
Clear.
Tulog ka na.
We're clear. Kailangan ang alarm clock. A set. Oh my God. Ang alarm clock.
Good night. Good night, Gab.
Good night. Good night. See you tomorrow.